Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you a quick and easy way to make amazing glow-in-the-dark glue slime using these new Elmers glow glues. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is empty the 5 ounces of glue into a container or bowl. I am just squeezing out, I don't know, probably about 3/4 of it in this video, so I didn't sit here and just squeeze it all out, but I squeezed enough out, and I have other plans for the rest of what's in the container of glue. So once you have the desired amount of glue poured out into your bowl, you want to add a couple pumps of foam soap, a sprinkle of baking soda, and you want to mix that up. Now, everyone's going to comment and ask, do you need the foam soap? I use foam soap in pretty much all my slime recipes. You can leave it out, but it won't be 100% authentic Rainbowplaymaker recipe, but you will still end up with an amazing slime without it. The foam soap just kind of adds a little something extra. I don't know how to explain it, but those of you that have used the foam soap in your slime, you know what I'm talking about. So now I'm activating with some contact lens solution. I'm just using this little one that came as a freebie in my contact lens package. I wear contacts and it was extra and it was cute. So that's what I'm activating with. The different brands of activator as far as saline goes, and saline is contact lens solution, they do vary in strength, so you may need a little more or a little less depending on which brand you use. But for the most part, as long as it has boric acid in the ingredients list, then it should work fine. So this is the texture we have arrived at. I'm going to be turning off my studio lights here so that you can see the glow. Do you guys think this glow is worth it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you like this texture? Let me know in the comments what you think about this glue. I didn't have a chance to film the slime in complete darkness, but I will be doing that on my stories on YouTube and Instagram, so make sure you're following me, have notifications turned on so that you don't miss all that extra kind of special footage behind the scenes that goes on my stories and extra posts beyond these videos. Next up, we are going to do the fluorescent yellow one. I love how thick these glues are, and I love that they're all glittered. So there's little sparklies in them. I don't know if you can see really in this video. It's kind of hard to see. Sometimes with the studio lights, it washes them out. But keep an eye out for them and let me know if you can see any glitters in this video. So I squeezed out what I could. I'm adding my 2 pumps of foam soap, a sprinkle of baking soda, and I am going to mix that all up. I'm just going to turn off my lights here for a sec just to see if we can get any glow before the glue is actually activated. And you can see there's a good glow. The problem here, I couldn't get my room dark because I film right by my window and there was light coming in through the blinds still, even though the blinds were closed. I have wooden blinds in this room. But like I said, I will be showing you guys on my stories on YouTube and Instagram footage of these slimes in complete darkness, and let me tell you guys, it is amazing. You're gonna want to see it. So once everything's mixed, you go in with your activator. Again, it's saline solution, contact lens solution. Make sure there's boric acid on the ingredients list, otherwise it will not work. A lot of people ask me for exact measurements of the contact lens solution that I add to my slimes, but it's really hard to say because it does vary from brand to brand, the strength of the activator. And so what I like to do is just squirt in a little, mix it in real good, as you can see here, and then go in with a little more. I like to also rub it on my hands before I touch the slime and poke the slime. It just helps it from not sticking. And I wish I could be a little more specific for you, but if you add too much, saline solution, you'll end up with a hard slime or a hard crust on top of the saline slime. So just go in with a little, mix it for a little bit, maybe about at least a minute, and then add a little more if you feel like it's still too sticky. So as long as it's still on the sticky side, just keep adding a little by little. A little should go a long way. But I always feel like go in with a little. You add too much, it's harder to fix the slime versus just activate more. So let's turn off the lights and see what we got here. We have like a nice glow. We've got like a fluorescent glow going on. I am loving this. Do you guys like? I want to know which one of these colors at the end of the video you like the best. I'm really digging this green color, the yellow one, fluorescent green. This next part, I am going to let my mom voice for you guys. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Now look at that glow in the dark glue. Oh, just love it. Now look at it come out. Ooh, look at that. We're going to have some fun with this one. Now just take it into the dark and see what happens. Now let's cover that. Keep it fresh. Now we got that creamy stuff going on. And sprinkles. Wow. Oh, I love it. Don't you just like that pudding coming up? Don't eat it. We don't want you to eat any of it. Wow, look at it go. Just love it. Just sit back and relax. Just watch it all come together. Oh, I can smell it. Oh, just love it. Don't you remember the vanilla pudding that your mother used to make for you? Well, guess what? This is not vanilla. I just love it. Put that finger down, Missy. Put it down. Thank you. Now, let's see. What do we got going here? Let's get a little bit of that and a little bit of that. I guess that was activator. Am I right? Yes, I am. Here we go. Love it. Absolutely love it. Love, 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 love. This is all full of love. Just love it. Well, well. Put that finger down. There we go. So what's with all the activator going in? Look what we got there. Just love. Just relax. We're just going to have to slow this down a little bit. It's going way too fast for me. Look what's happening. Oh my goodness, look at this. An alien. Oh, can you just feel your hands going right through it? Look at all these different designs. Just focus on it. Focus. 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 Don't you just love it? Oh, I just want to put it in my mouth and chew it.
You can't do that.
But I can't do that because it's slime. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to run to the store and I'm going to get myself some purple bubble gum. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Wow. I love it. Just love it. Oh, just makes me breathe. Oh, look what happened. It turned blue. It's actually turning colors. This stuff is fantastic. I wish my shampoo did that. Wow, look at this. I really like this. That's pretty neat.